Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Future Phone Flash. Today, get ready to dive into the latest buzz surrounding Samsung's upcoming foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6. We've got exciting news on new color options and powerful specs. But before we jump in, make sure to hit subscribe and ring that bell to stay updated on all things tech. Vibrant colors unveiled. Let's kick things off with the Galaxy Z Flip 6. According to industry insider Ross Young, Samsung is set to dazzle us with 4 stunning color options: light blue, yellow, light green, and classic silver. Whether you're into bold hues or timeless shades, the Z Flip 6 has something for everyone. Sophisticated tones for the Z Fold 6. Now, turning our attention to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung continues its trend of sophistication with 3 elegant color choices: light pink, dark blue, and, once again, silver. These refined tones add a touch of class to the Z Fold 6, making it not just a cutting-edge device but a stylish accessory. Powering up with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Beyond the aesthetics, both the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 pack serious power under the hood. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Society, these foldables are ready to deliver lightning-fast performance, seamless multitasking, and an immersive gaming experience. Say hello to next-level power. Unpacked event and Galaxy Fold 6 screen. Mark your calendars for July as Samsung's Unpacked event promises to be a showstopper. Alongside the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6, we can expect the grand reveal of the Galaxy Ring, Tab S10 series, and more. Plus, rumors suggest that the Z Fold 6 will feature a wider screen compared to its predecessor, offering even more room for productivity and entertainment. Funky vibes with the Z Flip 6. Let's start with the Galaxy Z Flip 6, set to turn heads with its funky new colors. According to insider leaks, the Z Flip 6 will be available in light blue, yellow, light green, and the classic silver. While silver remains timeless, these fresh hues add a pop of excitement to the Z Flip series. A splash of pink for the Z Fold 6. Now, onto the Galaxy Z Fold 6, where Samsung is breaking new ground with a first-ever color option. Reportedly, the Z Fold 6 will introduce light pink to the lineup, alongside the sophisticated dark blue and classic silver. It's a bold move that adds a touch of elegance to Samsung's foldable flagship. Evolution of foldable colors. These new color options mark a shift in Samsung's approach to foldable design. While previous models like the original Galaxy Z Fold offered bold choices like Astro Blue and Martian Green, the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 strike a balance between classic sophistication and vibrant modernity. It's an exciting evolution in foldable fashion. Design insights. While the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is expected to maintain its familiar look, recent reports suggest the Galaxy Z Fold 6 could sport a slightly different layout. Speculations hint at a wider cover and internal screens, promising a more immersive experience for users. Powerful performance. Under the hood, both the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 are rumored to pack a punch with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor. This powerhouse chipset ensures seamless performance and responsiveness, perfect for multitasking and gaming enthusiasts. Software support. Samsung continues its commitment to software longevity with reports suggesting up to 7 major Android OS updates for the Z Fold lineup. This ensures users stay up to date with the latest features and security enhancements for years to come. Introducing the Z Fold 6 Ultra? Exciting rumors have surfaced about a potential high-end variant, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. This deluxe model could elevate the foldable experience with improved cameras and a built-in S Pen slot, catering to users who demand the ultimate in performance and functionality. Budget-friendly Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's talk affordability. A recent report has sent shockwaves through the tech world by suggesting that the upcoming budget-friendly version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 could come with a price tag as low as $800. That's significantly lower than earlier predictions, making the foldable experience more accessible to a wider audience. Insights into launch timing. Today, we're delving deeper into the Galaxy Z Fold 6 launch timeline, courtesy of a new rumor from Samsung's homeland, Korea. While exact dates are still under wraps, this insight gives us a glimpse into the potential timeframe for the unveiling of Samsung's latest foldable marvel. Could we be seeing it sooner than expected? Implications and expectations. These revelations have sparked a wave of speculation and anticipation among tech enthusiasts worldwide. With the prospect of a more affordable Galaxy Z Fold 6 on the horizon and insights into its potential launch window, excitement is building as we await further details from Samsung. Shift in launch strategy. Samsung typically launches its FE models, the more affordable versions of its flagships, sometime after the release of the original flagship devices. This pattern suggests that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 phase launch might coincide with the release of the iPhone 16, potentially in September or October, rather than the earlier speculated timeframe. Implications and anticipation. This shift in launch strategy has significant implications for eager consumers and tech enthusiasts alike. While it may delay the unveiling of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE, it also sets the stage for a highly anticipated release alongside one of the biggest events in the smartphone industry, the launch of the iPhone 16. Strategic diversions from Apple. Samsung's decision to delay the Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE launch to coincide with the release of the iPhone 16 isn't just happenstance. It's a calculated move aimed at diverting attention from Apple's mainstream, slab, device announcements typically made in September. Risks of niche market focus. However, this strategy poses a potential risk for Samsung. Despite the Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE being priced lower than the anticipated iPhone 16 Pro, the foldable market remains relatively niche compared to traditional smartphones. Will Samsung's gamble pay off, or will it struggle to capture mainstream attention? Trust concerns and shipments. Interestingly, rumors suggest that even Samsung itself has reservations about the success of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE. Reportedly, the Korean phone maker aims to ship 200,000 to 300,000 units initially, reflecting cautious optimism. However, if the device indeed launches at the rumored $800 price point, shipment numbers could soar. Balancing act for Samsung. As Samsung navigates this delicate balancing act, the success of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE hinges on its ability to capture consumer interest amidst Apple's mainstream announcements. Will Samsung's gamble pay off, or will it struggle to gain traction in the fiercely competitive smartphone market? Share your thoughts in the comments below. As Samsung prepares to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE amidst Apple's September launch event, the tech world braces for an intense battle for consumer attention. Stay tuned as we keep you updated on all the latest developments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tech analyses. Until next time, stay informed and stay tech savvy.